commemorate this event, Government of Nagaland, Directorate of School Education has initiated this program called Anniversary Launch of Dandi March. Azadi ka Amrut Mahotsav marks the year of struggles of India's independence, and Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he makes this as an event and asks the schools to organize.
Good morning, friends. This morning, I'm very privileged to stand in front of you to deliver a speech today as we join hands with the rest of the country in commemorating the anniversary of launching of Dandi March. Let us remember the struggle of our freedom fighters. The march resulted the arrest of more than 60,000 people, including Gandhi himself.
After World War I, the British imposed stricter legislation in India to curb the people who felt the political extremists, while all hope was diminishing, emerged a man whom the country began to revere, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi became the undisputed leader of the freedom struggle. He advocated the policy of Satyagraha and civil disobedience, Mahatma by making salt with seawater. A very important learning from the freedom struggle has been the teachings of Mahatma Gandhiji on ahimsa.
It's a lesson for all of us that we need to appreciate all those who have contributed towards the independence of India, and I appreciate all of you and the History Department, Mr. Asa Francis and Mr. Misaliva, who took the initiative, and Anita, who read the captions and the pictures that explain the captions.